Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to use the TipRanks Daily Stock Ratings. You can use this feature to find fresh new investment ideas based on the most recent analyst ratings. It is really your gateway to Wall Street. So let's take a look. So from the TipRanks homepage, there are two different ways you can get here. Under Research Tools through the daily feeds, you can select your daily stock ratings, or right from the homepage under Daily Analyst Ratings, just near the bottom you can select All Ratings. Once we get to this page, right at the top, you're going to be able to see the stocks that have received buy and sell ratings today. You can see which analyst made the rating, as well as how many stars they have. Of course, 5-star analysts have the best performance. You can also see those price targets that they've set and the upside or downside potential. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see a full list of stock ratings from today. You can, of course, easily filter this data based on different criteria, including analyst performance, type of recommendation, even market cap. So let's narrow down our list here. Starting off with analyst performance, we want to focus on the best analysts. So let's select 5-star rated. For upside potential, I would like to see over 20% upside. And for recommendation type, we want a buy rating. Now under action here, there's several different choices. We're going to focus on initiated, but I will include a link down below that helps see how those actions are defined. Now with these filters in place, we get down to just 2 stocks that have buy ratings and upside potential over 20%. If you want to see more info, we can go over to the columns and add in some different features, such as market cap. That'll add that to your results here as well. From here, you can even select on the articles that the ratings came from, or hover over the analysts themselves to learn more about their past performance. So it is as simple as that. Now it's your turn. Try this out and let me know how it goes in the comments down below, as well as what other TipRanks features you'd like to learn more about. Thank you guys for watching.